If you've ever spent hours trying to find an AC leak, coolant leak, or oil seepage only to come up empty-handed, you already know how expensive guessing can get. I've seen people replace perfectly good parts, recharge systems multiple times, and waste hundreds of dollars because they couldn't pinpoint the actual leak. And the worst part? A cheap UV light can completely miss the evidence sitting right in front of you. That's why choosing the right UV leak detection kit matters. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best leak detection UV kits so you can find leaks faster, avoid costly mistakes, and stop throwing money at problems that aren't actually the cause. And before we jump in, if you're into honest, no BS automotive reviews from someone who actually works on cars, hit that subscribe button. I keep these reviews practical and based on real-world use, not marketing hype. I've also linked the latest deals in the description below. And if you're chasing a stubborn leak on your vehicle, drop a comment and I'll help point you in the right direction. Starting off at number 5, we've got the MOWETOO UV Flashlight. At first glance, it looks simple, but that's part of its appeal. The aluminum body feels solid in the hand, the compact design fits easily in a toolbox, and it's lightweight enough to carry around during inspections. The UV output is strong enough to illuminate fluorescent dye clearly, and the straightforward controls make it easy for beginners to use right away without a learning curve. In real-world use, this is an excellent entry-level leak detection light for mechanics and vehicle owners. Here's where this really stands out. Convenience. If you're checking occasional AC leaks, coolant leaks, or tracing fluid seepage around an engine bay, this flashlight gets the job done without costing a fortune. Compared to bargain bin UV lights that produce weak purple light with poor visibility, the Moetu delivers noticeably better results. The only drawback is that its coverage area is smaller than some higher-powered models further up this list. Now this next one fixes a problem many people don't realize they're dealing with until they're working in larger inspection areas. At number 4, we've got the Lighting Ever Blacklight flashlight. This model immediately feels a little more refined. The construction is sturdy, the beam pattern is broader, and the light output spreads across a wider inspection area. Whether you're looking under a vehicle, checking an entire AC system, or inspecting multiple components at once, that wider coverage becomes surprisingly useful. In actual use, this flashlight saves time. This is what most people don't realize. Constantly repositioning a weak UV light slows down every inspection. The Lighting Ever covers more area with each pass, making leak detection quicker and less frustrating. It performs especially well when inspecting larger vehicles or systems with multiple potential leak points. Compared to smaller budget lights, it feels noticeably more capable during longer diagnostic sessions. The only downside is that it isn't specifically designed as a complete automotive-focused leak detection package. But now we're moving into products built with automotive leak detection much more firmly in mind. Coming in at number 3 is the Vansky air conditioner leak detection kit. This setup feels purpose-built for automotive work. The flashlight is designed specifically to work with UV-reactive dyes, and the beam intensity helps fluorescent traces stand out clearly against surrounding components. The overall package feels geared toward vehicle diagnostics rather than general-purpose blacklight applications. Here's where this really stands out in real-world AC troubleshooting. Anyone who's dealt with refrigerant leaks knows how frustrating they can be. Tiny leaks often hide in places that are nearly impossible to spot with the naked eye. The Vansky does an excellent job revealing those traces quickly. This is what most people don't realize. Finding the leak accurately is often the hardest part of the repair. Once you know where the leak is, the rest becomes much easier. Compared to generic UV lights, the Vansky feels more focused and effective for automotive diagnostics. The only drawback is that it's somewhat specialized compared to more versatile options. Now this next one introduces a feature that makes a surprisingly large difference once you've used it. At number 2, we've got the Goreit 365nm Blacklight with filter lens. And honestly, this is where things start feeling genuinely professional. The 365nm wavelength produces cleaner UV illumination than many standard blacklights, while the integrated filter lens dramatically improves contrast by reducing unwanted visible light. The result is a sharper, clearer view of fluorescent dye traces. In real-world inspections, the difference is immediately noticeable. Here's what most people don't realize. Not all UV lights reveal leaks equally. The filter lens helps fluorescent dye pop out against dark engine bays, crowded AC systems, and hard-to-see areas. Small leaks that might blend into the background under weaker lights become much easier to identify. I especially like this setup for professional level diagnostics or anyone frequently working on multiple vehicles. The only drawback is that it sits at a slightly higher price point than basic UV flashlights. And now we've reached number 1. Taking the top spot is the COSOOS UV Blacklight flashlight. This is the model that consistently impressed me because it delivers the best overall balance of brightness, usability, durability, and value. The construction feels rugged enough for garage use, the beam output is powerful, and the overall design makes leak inspections fast and straightforward. Nothing about it feels cheap or compromised. In real-world use, this flashlight simply works. Here's where this really stands out. Versatility. Whether you're hunting down AC leaks, coolant leaks, oil leaks, power steering fluid leaks, or other UV reactive problems, it consistently provides excellent visibility. The beam intensity helps reveal fluorescent dye quickly, and the durable design feels like it'll hold up to years of automotive use. Compared to many generic UV lights, the COSOOS delivers a more complete package that works well for both occasional D users and serious enthusiasts. The only drawback is that some users may wish it included additional accessories, but the core performance more than makes up for it. At the end of the day, the best leak detection UV kit depends on how often you'll use it and how serious your diagnostic work is. If you need an affordable and effective starter option, the Moetu is a solid choice. The lighting ever offers broader coverage and easier inspections. The Vansky excels at automotive AC diagnostics. The Goreit delivers professional-level visibility with its filtered 365 nm design. But if you want the best overall combination of performance, durability, and value, the COSOOS earns the number 1 spot. Finding leaks quickly can save hundreds of dollars in unnecessary repairs, replacement parts, and wasted labor. And honestly, once you've used a quality UV leak detection light, you'll never want to troubleshoot fluid leaks without one again. If this review helped you out, subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews and diagnostic tool recommendations. Check the description for the latest deals on all 5 products and leave a comment below if you're tracking down a specific leak and need some advice. You now know more than 90% of buyers before they spend their money. Go make the smart choice.